Okay, hey class. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing collisions and seeing how momentum is conserved or not conserved in collisions as well as energy. So what we've got here is we've got a blue cart and a gray cart. You'll see in the file called info for labs done online file, I've got masses for the labs, or masses for the carts and masses for all the things that we'll be talking about in this lab today. And so a couple things you need to know. One thing that I just realized I didn't set up is our motion detector set to cart. Okay. And so what we're going to be doing here is we've got this gray cart, this blue cart. The blue cart's going to get seen by the motion encoder, but this guy's got to get seen by the motion detector. And as we all know, the motion detectors don't always work so well. So we can take little ends out of this and insert a couple of magnets. So you'll see that there's magnet masses listed on that info file as well. And so you can add that to the mass of the cart. The other thing you're going to have to add to the mass of the cart is you've got this screen here. And the reason we're going to put this screen on here is so that the motion detector does a better job seeing this cart. So the encoder works really well for this guy. This screen allows the motion detector to see that cart really well. So what we're going to do is we're going to smash carts into each other. So the first one's an elastic collision, which means they bounce. So we've got this spring here so that when they hit, they bounce off real nice. And so we're going to do 6 runs. The first run, they've got no additional mass. So here we go. We're going to keep this guy stationary. And we're going to slam this guy into it. Okay? So we got that. The second one, we've got the blue cart has 1 additional mass. So we've increased the mass of the blue cart by these masses. These masses are listed on the lab. They're 125 grams each. So we got this. We're going to take this. Okay, slam it in. I may do that one a couple times. Didn't like that one so much. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's better data. Okay. The next one, I'm going to add a second mass to my blue cart. It doesn't matter where I put it. I like to separate them a little bit. And so again, what we're going to do is we're going to change things up. Maybe we'll have both of them move sometimes. And do that. Okay. Maybe have them both move. Woo. Okay. So we got different sets of data on that. Specifically what let's see. Sorry about that, everybody. I want to make sure that I got what you guys need. Make sure that the data looks good. So for that third run, I want to make sure that I've got both of them moving. Yeah, I've got both of them moving when they hit. Okay? And no, not both moving. Sorry, I take that back. What I want to do is I'm going to redo that one actually, because now that I think about it, I want this guy moving, but not this guy moving again. And there we go. And then they go off, and you'll see that. Ooh, I blocked it. It's the other thing that I do sometimes. I block the sensor. So there you go. Okay, there we go. Okay, the fourth run, which I'm going to get set up now. The fourth run, what we've got is, for the fourth run, we've got this guy's going to be moving, and this guy's going to be stationary again. This guy's moving, this guy's going, but instead of the carts, instead of the other cart having mass, what we're going to do is we're going to load this guy up with lots of mass. Okay? We're going to put 4 of the masses on this guy this time, and then we're going to slam this cart into it and see what happens. You'll see that this guy flies backwards, but this guy kept going forwards, which is important. Okay? So again, I'll re-show that one again. So this guy's at rest, this guy's slamming in, and we get that pattern that's going on. Then for run 5, what we've got for run 5 is we have both carts have no masses on them, but this is the one where we've got everything moving. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and get these 2 carts going at roughly the same speeds, maybe not quite, when they smack each other. Okay? And see that they bounce and rebound, and that's what we've got. And I'll even do that again so you can see it. So there you go. So that's run 5. And then run 6, what we're going to do is we're going to load the masses up. So we're going to put 3 masses on this guy. We're going to put 4 masses on the gray cart. So they are disproportionate mass again. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slam them into each other. So here we go. Okay, and again, just to show you what's happening. Okay, so that's the elastic collision part of this lab. I'm going to do multiple videos, one for each section of this lab. So the next video you'll watch is the inelastic collision.